We are in Burton-upon-Trent today, and we are doing a brewery or beer themed sign hunting adventure today. I think we recognize all of them. The famous Carling, Coors Light, Cobra, Doom Bar and the Worthingtons. Burton-upon-Trent, or as it is shortly known, Burton, is situated by the River Trent. It is a medium-sized settlement in Staffordshire, approximately the size of Shrewsbury. So today's trip is brewery slash beer themed sign hunting slash scythe hunting adventure, because brewing has made a massive impact on the face of Burton. The Coors Brewing Company, which is just here in town, in the town centre, is a regional division of the world's third largest brewing company, the Molson Coors Brewing Company. If you follow us regularly, and I don't know why you wouldn't, so the first thing we normally do is to carry out the sign project, and this is what we're gonna do now. Here it is, fellas. It gets all the good sunlight from behind. Yes! Sign hunters, yes! Yes! Sign hunters, yes! You are watching the Sign Hunters. Yes! So, fellas, do you know what makes Burton-upon-Trent the capital city of beer and brewing in general? Yes, guys, you guessed right. It's the quality of water that is rich in minerals, which has a high importance in its quality. Brewing employs the highest quality ingredients as possible, and if you think rationally, the beer probably has better quality than some of the tap water that people consume. You can always ask about the sustainability of using free resources such as water to produce something and then sell that product for a certain amount of money. Right, guys, if you want a museum on beer, this is the right place for you. The National Brewery Centre in Burton-upon-Trent. This is a brewing copper built in 1863. I haven't got time to go in, but I might check out the shop. Of course I couldn't resist and I bought myself a local beer, a bottle of local beer. Apparently this is the favorite beer of the guy behind the till. You can see it's quite strong, 7.5%. We're gonna love it. We're gonna drink it at home. In Burton-upon-Trent there are not only huge international beer manufacturers, breweries, but there are small ones, tiny ones, they're called microbreweries. And this is the Burton Bridge Brewery. This is where that bottle of beer comes from that I purchased earlier. This is obviously not the brewery itself, it's the brewery's own pub. I'm in Lord Burton and I'm gonna have a meal. Enjoy guys. Thanks for watching the Sign Hunters. Yes. See you later.